Hi, hello, annyeong. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Just Life TV. Today we are unboxing this. It's another SHINEE album. It's my first time to unbox a SHINEE Japanese album. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. This is my first SHINEE Japanese album and I'm super excited because wala lang. This is only the second SHINEE album that I'm unboxing. The first one was Atlantis. And finally, I'm unboxing another SHINEE album. So this was their fifth Japanese studio album. This is from Manila Wall. Usually, nag-GO siya ng mga SHINEE merch and albums from Japan. I think, if I'm not mistaken, wala tong photo card, wala tong inclusions. It's just really an album. Let me open. Japanese albums are usually more expensive than the Korean releases. I don't mind. Let me share with you. So, the tracks here are Gentleman, Mr. Right Guy, ABOAB, ano ba yan? ABOAB, Kimi no Shide. Did I pronounce that correctly? Kimi no Shide. Do Me Right, Become Undone, Get the Treasure, 101 Japanese version, and Nothing to Lose, Melody, Winter Wonderland, and Diamond Sky. Among those, the ones that I really know are, of course, Diamond Sky, Kimi no Shide, which is one of my favorite SHINEE songs, and 101, of course. Let me be honest and say that I do not fully know a lot of these tracks, but yeah, I love Kimi no Shide and Diamond Sky, actually. So, don't ask me kung sino ang bias ko. Everybody already knows. My bias is Taemin, and everybody else is a bias wrecker. Actually, I'm leaning more towards Key and Minho, pero I love all of them. Excited na ako kasi paparating na rin yung aking... Oh, there's a note. Yan, there's a note. Hello, thank you for trusting me. Thank you. Oh. Thank you, Ria. I don't know if I'm reading correctly. For being so patient. Ayun. Thank you, Ria, for being so patient. Sorry for the delay. Na late man ng konti. I still hope this album brings you joy. Stay safe and healthy from Manila Wall Card. Follow nyo siya, guys. Merch and albums from Japan. Yung binibenta niya. Marami siyang binibenta or in-offer na gusto kong bilhin. Pero ito lang talaga yung pumasok sa saktong budget ko. This is also my first album na 5 sila. This is my first album no nandyan si Jonghyun. I've unboxed so many albums and so many things. I think this is the first time I'm crying. Na-overwhelm ako. Anyway, let's proceed. Okay, so may tab dito. Sana ganito. SM, sana palaging ganito. Oh, yung may pangbukas. Pero Japanese, ano nga kasi to. Old school pa tong album na to, guys. January 2017 siya na-release. Paano ba to? Tada! And there you go. The track list is there. Gentleman, Mr. Right Guy, ABOAB, Kimi no Shide. Alam ko, ayan yung Kimi no Shide. Huwag niyo ako i-judge. Nakita ko kasi sa pag-google ko. Do Me Right, Become Undone, Get the Treasure, 101 Japanese version. I super love 101. Both the Japanese and the Korean versions, actually. Nothing to Lose, Melody, Winter Wonderland, Diamond Sky. So my favorites are Kimi no Shide. Guys, let me know if I'm pronouncing it correctly or not. Diamond Sky, and of course, 101 Japanese version. I'm gonna try to listen to all the tracks after this para hindi ako mapahiya sa inyo. But, yeah. Ooh, ayan na siya. So, it's just straightforward lang siya, guys, na jewel case. Baka masira ako. There you go. I like this kasi hindi siya glossy. Hindi ko masyado bet yung mga glossy kasi pag pinicturean mo or something, pangit. On You, Jinky Lee Jinky. Jonghyun, Kim Jonghyun. And then the lyrics to the songs. Lee Taemin, my bias, my ult bias. More lyrics, Do Me Right, Become Undone, Get the Treasure, one of one Japanese version. It's the 5 of them. Oh my gosh, SHINEE is 5, guys. Lyrics, Nothing to Lose, Melody, Winter Wonderland, Diamond Sky, Choi Minho. Ang baby pa nila dito, grabe. And finally, we have Kim Ki-boom, Ki. Ang gwapo ni Ki. Ang gwapo ni Ki dito. Ayan. So, the acknowledgement or the credits for all the songs are also there. And the CD. Ayoko tanggalin yung CD. So, wala siya, guys, no? Unlike the other CDs or jewel cases that I have unboxed. So, let me show you. Oh, ayoko. Masira na siya. Masira siya. Okay, no. Hindi ko siya papersahin. So, it's just really the CD. Ayan. SHINEE 5. There's nothing else there. No sticker, no postcard, nothing. So, there you go. It's just straightforward CD. Ang ganda ng colors and everything. Oh my God. Thank you, Manila Wall Cart. I didn't expect I'd be crying. Oh my God. Nakakahiya. I was just so overwhelmed to see the 5 of them in the cover. I didn't expect to be so happy. There you go. That was my quick unboxing of the SHINEE 5 5th Japanese studio album of SHINEE. I'm super overwhelmed. Oh my gosh. If you're a Shawol like me, leave a comment down below. I want to know which albums I should collect. I'm really trying to buy everything that I could buy. Kaya lang yun nga, I have limited budget. I have one that I'm going to unbox now, and the one that I'm gonna unbox now is SMCU, so hindi talaga siya SHINEE album. And then I have one SHINEE album arriving and one Lee Taemin album arriving, and I have a few others also arriving really soon, I hope. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the SHINEE 5 5th Japan studio album of SHINEE. This was a very memorable unboxing experience. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video because I definitely enjoyed this very memorable unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this with your Shawol friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well and hit on the notification bell button over here if you want to watch more unboxing videos. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. I have 2 Facebook pages, Ria Jose Davao and Diyosa Life. And to connect with me on other social media platforms as well. I'm on Twitter, Ria Jose. On Instagram, Ria Jose Davao. And on TikTok, Ria Jose Davao. If you want to read more about my thoughts on pop culture and other things, please visit my blogs, riajose.com and josalife.com. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Kamsahamnida.